Uh, all right. What's up? Domino 7 here. Good morning, everybody. I should have started off with. Okay. It's a beautiful morning, and the sun is out. Okay. So look at the sun. All right. It's a beautiful morning, and thank God it didn't flood. Okay. So, anyway, I'm just looking around like I was supposed to. Some people still parked in the street. The parking restrictions was lifted. You know, we got clear skies, and it's cool out here. It's not burning hot out here. Even though I wanted it to, but I'm glad it's not for the for for the heck of it. What's this? Oh, nothing. All right. Looking at a post. I don't know why I was filming it. All right. It's it's nice and straight around here. All right. Okay. Look around here, y'all. Mm-hmm. Yep. It's a beautiful morning. Beautiful at that. All right. Holding my camera sideways for right now. So the next day after a rainy night, okay. So as Hurricane Delta could continue on moving elsewhere, I hope we don't have another storm. Threatening our Louisiana state. About to go upstairs. Okay. Well, look like he's playing that, but he's not playing that. Wait a minute. But that's being played on YouTube, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So now that I'm upstairs, okay. Yeah, look at this. I had this chair upside down last night. All right. All right. Mm-hmm. Look at the sky. It's a sunny day. Okay. All right. So as I kept coming back, going out, coming back, and stuff like that, going off air and stuff like that. So it's so beautiful out here. It's cool. Some people probably will wear shorts today, skirts, dresses, and and also long pants. Domino 7 always wear long pants. Yes, indeed. So, as I should say, Spice One from California. So, he, I don't even think he would ever deal with hurricanes. So, natural disasters all over. So look at downtown. Look at downtown. And can y'all see that hard rock, the collapse site? I might bring y'all out there one day, but I don't know if I'll do a Facebook Live out there. So, all right. So, anyway, y'all, I'm just waking up, have saying what a beautiful morning and stuff like that. So I'm very thankful that we dodged a bullet. Because I don't know if it was 2018 or 2017, we were supposed to get it, and then they said it was gonna pass us by quick, and then we dodged a bullet. Cause don't we have enough hurricanes? We already know how Florida feel. Cause Florida almost always get hurricanes every now and then. Hmm. As long as it don't be no Category 7 or whatever, then that's a dangerous one. An extreme dangerous one could wipe out the entire city. Probably destroy brick houses. So, you got cars passing by and stuff like that. So, hey, all right. So somebody just waved at me. So it was a kid. I can't I can't be rude to children. All right, so I wonder how the people in Lake Charles doing. Is they still out here evacuating from Hurricane Laura? Cause I want to tell y'all, I welcome them with open arms. Even though I still call myself the king of Louisiana. You hear me? Hmm. So I welcome them people to New Orleans with open arms. Okay. I just been too busy doing my shows and doing everything else in the house. That's all. All right, look at the sky, blue sky. And the sun is out. Okay, beautiful a day outside. Mm-hmm. Yep. What a cold day. Okay, a beautiful cold day. Well, it might warm up. I don't know. So I'll go inside and listen to Peyton Malone if he's on today. Or Mr. Zach. You know, or Damon Singleton, or any other meteorologist around. You know. Mm-hmm. So that's it for right now. Okay. So this concludes the Facebook live stream. Uh, After the sun is out after a rainy night. Okay. The sun is out after a rainy night. All right. So it was a rainy night, but it didn't rain all night. Throughout the morning. You know. All right. That's it. All right. Goodbye.